Hello, my name is Christian Rodriguez. I always get up at 6 a.m. on weekdays. I get a shower and I have breakfast in my kitchen at 7 a.m. I always go to work by bus. It arrives to the stop at 7:30 a.m. I take lunch at 12:30 p.m. in a restaurant near work. I sometimes walk to work. I always take a cup of coffee in my office in the afternoon. I go home by bus. It arrives to the stop at 7 p.m. I arrive home at 7:30 p.m. I never cook at night. I sometimes order pizza and I always watch TV show before to sleep. I go to bed at 11 p.m. I get up at 8 a.m. on weekends. I never take breakfast in my house. I listen to music all day. I go to cinema in the afternoon and I go to bar for a beer. I always go to bed at 11 p.m. Bye.